Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 56 Marla Crescent in Noarlunga Downs. I've got an absolutely smashing location, close to Noarlunga train station, just down the road from Colonnade Shopping Centre, and I've got the perfect starter family home. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, double garage and an awesome pergola area out the back. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it, what an absolutely lovely home. It's just perfectly set up with the right size rooms on the right size amount of land in a beautiful location, so close to Noarlunga train station and Colonnade Shopping Centre. I love how easy care it is, and it's got good sized rooms inside as well. Perfect for that young family looking to upsize. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.